To create your own module in Python, let's create one new file here. New Python file. So I'll create new file with new user. Okay. So this is my new file, new user, and I will define one function. And this function takes username. Inside this function, I'm gonna print a message. Print welcome plus username. So this is my new module I have created, where if there is any new user comes in, this welcome message, we can call this welcome message function, which will internally print welcome username. So this will be my module, and how to use this module in a new function, let's understand. So I'll create a new file, new Python file. Okay, calling. So in this new function, new file, I'll call new module which I have created just now. So how to do that? Import new user. Hi. So here I will use command import to import this module. So just now we have created module new user, and let's do print. And okay, let's take input from user called username is equals to input. Enter your name. Enter your name, and this name we will pass to this module function of this module. So how we can do is new user dot welcome message, and inside we will pass this username value. Let's run and see how this works. So here it will ask to provide the name. Now we can see welcome Monica, it's got printed here. So this is how we can create new module with the help of a .py extension. We can create our own module, and to call that module we have to use this import command.